This person can't understand why they are tempted for you. I've been receiving this message. Somebody is tempted. Somebody is tempted for you. I'm tempted for you, right? Somebody is saying this to themselves again and again and again. I want to see this person. I want to date this person. Somebody can't understand why are they tempted for you. If this video has reached you, yes, they are tempted for you, but they can't understand why are they tempted for you. So I've been writing these messages from divine realm, and spirit gave me this message. They can't understand why they're tempted for you. Okay, let's just find this quickly, what is happening with them. Queen of Wands. See, this person wants to play with the fire. You are the fire, right? So you could have your feminine energy right now. You could be creating, you could be working with the light, you could be working with the scents, but this person wants to play with the fire. I just received this message at 111 confirmation. This person wants to play with the fire and they are tempted for you and they can't understand why, right? So you must have this particular aura to yourself. You must have this, you must be working with something. So I see some kind of a wand, and that's also telling me that you might be playing flute. Somebody is playing flute, and there is like some kind of a manmohani to yourself, manmohan to yourself, which means Krishna and Radha, right? Let's see, let's find more, right? Seven of Swords. You yourself are a player. I mean, not that kind of a player, but you yourself are a player, okay? See, this person is hiding. This person is hiding, and meanwhile, you are working within the premises of yourself. You are happy to do that, but what I'm getting here is that this person is like looking at you from a place, from a space, right, from a distance, but they are hiding this, right? You, why I told you that you are a player, why I told you that, because you like to work all by yourself. You must be having some kind of shadows to yourself, and you're working with your shadows, which means you are doing your shadow work. You are getting out um of that zone where you actually are working with lights, candles, fire, fragrances, something like that. You could be a light worker, I don't know about it, but most of the light workers want to stay all by themselves. So yeah, this is somewhere this person is trying to connect with you in some sort of way. But why I say that they want to play with the fire, because you are the fire, right? They might get burned, but you don't get burned by the fire, something like that, because you're the Queen of Wands. Even if you're a guy, even if you're a girl, you are the Queen of Wands. Okay, let's find more messages. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, okay, let's find more messages. Page of Swords, and we have Six of Swords. See, I'm getting this person could be one person who has been with you. This could be your ex, this could be one of your exes, or the one you want to contact. This is the ex person that I'm looking at, right? And at the top of these cards, you are sitting at the top with this most high energy Queen of Wands of all these cards, right? I'm getting they're tempted by how you flow, how you just do yourself. But it's more like you did not turn back to me. Somebody is trying to say this, you did not turn back to me. So this is a message, clear indication that the person that you are in no contact with, you may have had a divorce with this person. You may have left this person, because there are 3 4 cards of leaving, 4 cards of leaving, right? And this is all telling me that you are leaving some place, you left this person. So this is your no contact. They can't understand why they are tempted for you. This is this is coming in as, see, somewhere I'm seeing this, that the whole picture is trying to connect with you in a way that, because you have your aura like this, you are like confined to yourself, you're confined to your own space, you're working in your shadows, you're healing yourself, you are healing, more than healing, right? You're creating, this is what your energy is. And other the pictures, everything is coming to you because you are like this, you are locked, you are protected, you're just like, I'm covered, right? So this is why, and the past does not matter to you at all now. Look at that, because you've been working with the shadows, but this person is saying that, so we have a confirmation, this is your no contact, your ex, the divorced person, um somebody you left in the past, this is that person. And there is energy that this person is trying to see you at on social media or somewhere that you go out, or maybe they are watching your steps or something, right? Any other messages from the spirit for you? Because this is more like just a confirmation for someone that yes, somebody is looking at you, and that's your ex, your no contact, whosoever you wanted this with, but you are happy, you are not looking at them, you are just you are making your connection with the higher realm. King of Swords, we have the connection card. What is this King of Swords doing here? Oh, they want to control you, they want to see what you're doing so that they can control you. Oh my goodness. They are still sitting in their ego. They are still sitting arrogantly. Look at that. I told you somebody is doing the shadow work in the collective. This Justice card represents something. This person thought before you left, look at that. Before you left, this person thought that they would be telling you that you are a wrong person, you are doing something wrong, and they would be, in the higher place than who you are, right? So they did what they did. They thought that they were treating you with something that will help you to be at a position of lower than them, which is more like somebody is, let me tell you what I'm trying to say here. So they thought that they are giving you justice in all the cold energies that they gave you with the King of Swords. So swords and sword, the Justice card. And you are coming here as the Page of Swords and Seven of Swords. You didn't say anything. You kept following who you are. You flowed. And this person still wants to have control over you because they want you to come back. So I'm getting that they are creating some sort of pressure, or they always have. If you have felt suffocated with them, if you have felt that I need some space, I need my own space, what is this person doing? So maybe this person thought that you are just like other people who can be fooled, or maybe they knew better. They knew that you're not like other people, so you left. Six of Wands. You are all by yourself. You are a victorious person. Simple as that. I'm not even gonna say that you are you need this confirmation that you are a victorious person. No, you are who you are. You are a victorious person, right? Nine of Pentacles. I'm seeing you with an energy of wholeness, completeness, but this person still wants to control you because they want an upper hand. Simple like that, right? So we can't do anything about some people who just want an upper hand, and they can go to any lengths, right? So whatever you did in your flow, and that's your flow energy, and that's the beautiful energy ever, right? In case you want your personal reading, personal healing session, personal counseling sessions, you can contact me through WhatsApp. Number is in the description box below. I'll see you in my next video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe this video, this channel. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.